how you can add new line to WhatsApp web. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up any web browser and on the search URL, type in WhatsApp web. Then go to the first link, that is web.whatsapp.com, and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Open up any chat section. Now type in the message that you would like to send to. Now instead of hitting enter in your keyboard, press Ctrl then enter, and the new line will be added in this chat section or in this text box. So instead of pressing the enter key in your keyboard, simply press Ctrl plus enter and the new line will be added to your text. So that's how you add new line to WhatsApp web. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.